Bandit, you want to say hi to everybody? No? You're going to be shy? Hi. Hi, Princess Bandit. Hi, beautiful. Tell everybody what you're doing today. You had your breakfast, you got combed, you got brushed. Now you're just chilling by the kitchen window, looking out at the birds. Right now you're looking at me, right? But you like to bird watch, huh? Yeah, you're a good girl. You're such a pretty girl. It's a beautiful day today, right? Are you a good girl today? Huh? Are you a good girl? Hanging out next to your Halloween decorations? Yeah, you're such a pretty girl. All right, say goodbye to everybody. Bye, everybody. Bandit says she loves you. Bandit? Bandit. Say I love you, everybody. Bye, YouTube. Have a happy Tuesday. Bye. Bandit loves you.